common guidance for how often to rotate your tires is 6 to 8,000 miles. But this is not always the best advice. A more conservative and more appropriate recommendation is to rotate your tires every 5,000 miles or every 6 months, whichever comes first. This guidance is still a general rule of thumb, but it is much more likely to provide good wear and meet or exceed the recommendations of your tire manufacturer. These suggestions don't take into account how quickly your car or truck may wear down your tires and how unevenly the tread may wear during that period. More importantly, this doesn't take into account the requirement for maintaining your tire warranty. Most tire manufacturers will provide a mileage guarantee for the majority of their tires, but they usually require you properly maintain them. Of course, proper maintenance can be difficult to prove, but regular tire rotation is easy to provide receipts to prove you have rotated your tires according to manufacturer's requirements. Most tire manufacturers will use proof of regular rotation as their primary method of ensuring the tires were not abused. The maximum mileage allowed between tire rotations varies between tire manufacturers and tire models. Often these requirements fall within the common suggestion of 6 to 8,000 miles. Rotating your tires every 5,000 miles will almost always meet or exceed tire warranty requirements. However, you should always review the paperwork provided with your tires to be sure to meet the unique requirements to maintain your specific tires. Regular tire rotation will help ensure that your tires wear more evenly over time. This will not only help them last longer, but it will also help them ride more smoothly and keep them quieter. If you'd like to learn more about tire rotation and tires in general, check out tiregrades.com.